make our first meal. First meal, breakfast, whatever you can say, because right after this, I will train. I train in the morning usually. So the meal remains the same all year round. I've been doing this for like, 5, 6, 7 years. The main ingredient, main component remains the same. That is, I start my day with some oatmeal. Here and there, I twist things. I sometimes use peanut butter for my fat source, or sometimes I go for nuts and almond. So let's see what I gonna add today, and I'll share more. So my oatmeal is ready, and I'm gonna add all these things into it. So it's gonna be some whey protein, banana, peanut butter, and some organic honey. Okay, so the first meal is ready and I'm ready to dig in. I'm very, very flummoxed. Okay, before that, oatmeal, banana, peanut butter, and whey protein. So it is around 450 to 500 calorie. Depends on the weight of the banana and how much oats I'm using. So this one is around roughly 500 calories, and I'm gonna tag the macros and everything calories for your information. So the amount I'm using is as per my maintenance, as per my body requirement. You can use the same things, just you have to vary and manipulate the amount you put in. So that is what is majorly the change you need to do. Rest you can follow the same thing. This is very optimal for morning, starting, pre-workout. This is all good stuff. Hello YouTube, so this is me checking in right in between from my workout. I've done already 3 workouts, 3 exercises. As I have shown you about my pre-workout meal, what I have consumed previously, it's been like 3 hours since I had that meal. After the workout, I'm gonna show you the rest of the day and rest of the meals. So stay tuned, stay pumped. हेलो गाइस, सो घर वापसी आ गए हैं आफ्टर 4-5 आवर्स, जिसमें मैंने अपने कुछ 2 क्लाइंट्स को ट्रेन किया. उसके बाद अपनी ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट करी है और अब बैक टू पवेलियन. खाने का टाइम है एंड आई विल शो यू कि क्या खा रहे हैं. पहले खाने को गर्म करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो 1 मिनट 40 लगाया है. उसके बाद देखते हैं कि क्या खा रहे हैं पूरे दिन. हेलो सो सेकंड मील ऑफ द डे, गर्मा गर्म पोस्ट वर्कआउट मील, जिसमें मैं खा रहा हूँ 150 ग्राम राइस, 150 ग्राम चिकन ब्रेस्ट एंड 1 एग. सो आई कीप माई फैट्स वेरी लो पोस्ट वर्कआउट. इनफैक्ट कभी कभार ज़ीरो भी रख सकते हैं, इट डजेंट मैटर. यू हैव टू कीप द फैट कंटेंट फैट लो इन योर पोस्ट वर्कआउट. द रीज़न इज़ कि ग्लूकोज जल्दी डिस्पोज होने में आपके मसल बेली के अंदर और जो भी ट्रांसपोर्ट उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, ट्रांसपोर्टेशनल रिक्वायरमेंट, वो थोड़ी जल्दी एग्जीक्यूट होती है. फैट जस्ट स्लोज डाउन द होल प्रोसेस. तो दैट द साइंस बिहाइंड इट. बिकॉज हमें क्विक रिकवरी चाहिए होती है, तो हाई सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड कार्ब्स, स्पेशली कार्ब्स. सो दैट्स इट. एंड ये जो मील है ये मैंने खुद कुक नहीं करी है. दिस इज़ मोस्टली कुक बाय माई मॉम. So she helps me with all my meals. Not all, but yes, at least 2 or 3. I eat 6 times, 5 times a day. So कुछ ऐसी meals जो workout के बाद है. Mom helps me out. So thanks to her for her genetics and to my father. So let's eat. Hello YouTube, welcome back. Time for the third meal of the day. Don't be shocked, I just shaved up as I do my shaving on Fridays. Today's Friday, the vlog is gonna be up on Monday. So time for the third meal. Let's go, I'll show you. Out of the microwave. Closed. Let's go. Back on the table. So here we are. Just wait. Two more important things. So this is how life of a bodybuilder looks like. Sorry, it's hot in here. What I'm gonna show you is my third meal. Third meal is this. So, what is this? This is bread, peanut butter, honey over it, with some bananas cut over on the top, and a scoop of whey with some coffee. Let me set the camera over here. So I'm gonna enjoy this meal, third meal, and I'm gonna share the macros of each and every meal and total macro at the end of the video. So let's get on to it. I'm always hungry. हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक. सो लास्ट मील खाए हुए हमें 3 घंटे हो गए. आई हैड इट अराउंड 5 PM एंड नाउ इट इज़ क्लोज टू 8. सो आई एम हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स माई फोर्थ मील ऑफ द डे. मीनवाइल मैंने अपने जो भी काम वाम रहता है, फिर किसी दिन उसका भी व्लॉग बनाएंगे कि मीनवाइल मैं क्या करता हूँ खाने के अलावा. सो वेलकम बैक on the continuation vlog of full day of eating. बना लिया वैसे तो मैंने आधा सामान अपना खाने का. क्या है ये? पोटैटोज़. इसके साथ मैं बनाने वाला हूँ 2 अंडे, और उसके बनाने के बाद मिलते हैं. लो, सो अपनी फोर्थ मील रेडी है. लेट मी शो यू. ओके, सो वी हैव हियर 2 whole eggs, 200 grams of white potato, slightly stirred and fried. Crispy होके अच्छा लगता है. Taste goods. मैंने ऐड किया इसमें pink salt, some black pepper and some chili flakes. So that is how it's going to be down. Very simple meal, easy to digest, good amount of protein, quick digesting carbs. So the thing is कि मैं अपने गट को कम काम देना चाहता हूँ, ईजी काम देना चाहता हूँ. सो लोग कहते हैं कि सिंपल कार्ब्स नहीं खाने चाहिए, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. इफ़ यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग योर थिंग्स राइट, यू कैन ऐड simple carbs. And I think white potato is one of the best sources for carbs and vitamin C. It has a lot of it. So see you with the last meal that is left, and it's going to be the tastiest meal of the day. So just wait and watch. Hello. So here we are. Just start kiya tha from the kitchen, ending the video in the kitchen. So time to conclude the video. I'm heading towards the last meal of the day, that is the fifth meal I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna eat. Then after an hour maybe I'll sleep off. So this is it for the day. I hope कि सबको यहाँ से कुछ सीखने को मिले. Variations, बीच बीच में मैंने tips and कुछ बातें बताई हैं about meals, how it works, what is the purpose. So just try to I try to keep it very simple, just say ki, and my meals are really simple, so anybody can take them, give it a try, and don't forget to manipulate your macros according to your goals and your calories according to your needs. So that's it. We are moving towards the last meal. Okay, so the meal is on the table. Here it is. As I told you कि सबसे tasty meal होता है ये जो last meal मैं खाता हूँ. So it has shrimps, you can see rice. It looks like a fried rice, and eggs, shrimps, and rice. Eggs for fats, shrimps for protein, and rice for carbs. And yes, I do eat carbs at night. Anything, if you guys have any kind of query after this video, you can drop a comment. So I'm gonna conclude and end this video right here, while after this I will enjoy the last meal, and you will have all the calories and macros at the end of this video. If you find the video useful, if you like it, do share it with your buddies, your family, and subscribe the channel, like the video. I'll see you next time. Thank you.